Hi guys, I wanted to take you for a walk around this BMW X3 before the owner collects it. It was registered in January 22, just coming up to 50,000 miles and still looks absolutely mint. We've maintained this since day one. There's no coatings on it, no ceramic anywhere. It's just regular interior exterior valets using all the correct products in the correct ways to help maintain the finish on this vehicle. Regular trips to Newquay, regular surfboards in, various other bits of equipment. As I say, regularly maintained, using the correct products in the correct way, and it's still looking factory fresh. Just dress the tyres with Garage Therapy tyre serum. Paintwork's been washed with Garage Therapy snow foam. Shampoo finished with a detailer. Just use the glass cleaner. Yeah, I'm sure you'll agree. Don't forget there's no coatings on this vehicle. This is just regular valeting. Right, catch you guys later.